Next thing which require for EVE-NG to install EVE-NG client pack. Client pack is required to run the devices inside. If you are not going to install, the devices will not open, because this device is an Ultra VNC, it's in PuTTY, Wireshark, and so many other things are available in this client pack. So you need to download from Google Drive, which I mentioned, and these are the things. When you install client pack, it will install these application, and that's what we need. So it's so easy. Let's go back until it will update and we will install client pack. So let's go to client pack. Here is the client pack. It's EVE-NG when client pack I already download. I show you how to download. Click on this one. Okay, it's easy to, by the way, just double click and click next, that's it. So let's see, it will take some time to show up. Let's see. Yes, come up. So click yes, it will show you warning. Click next, click next. So it will install Wireshark and also Ultra VNC, PuTTY, and all those things which is required. Next. Okay, and accept the agreement and click next, click next, click next. Don't need to do anything. Click next and click install. Now it will install all those things which is needed one by one. Okay, so let's see now. Click next, and they say show the latest version. I don't need the latest version. Click finish. Now it will ask you to install the Wireshark. I told you what is Wireshark. Yes, capture the packet. So say yes, because he already installed. So it's asked me to remove the old one. So I say yes, and I agree. Next and next, next. Don't install these things. It will make a issue for you. Just uncheck this one. Keep in mind npcap. So you don't need this. Uncheck and click next. Click install. So now it will install the Wireshark. So if you want to capture any packet in your lab, so you need to install. That's why we are going to install this pack. Suppose like many time I open Wireshark to show you the file, because I already installed this client pack. If you are not going to install the client pack, so you will not capture the packet, you will not open the device. So you need to do this one. Okay, and now let's see, it's next and finish and done. So the client pack was installed, and let me show you here. So I click next, then I click next. These are the thing. Wireshark I unchecked, but because in my case it was installed, but his case also installed, but anyway, and accept, then click next, then click next. And now to verify, by the way, I did not show you. So to verify that it's installed or not, so go to my computer, go to C drive and go to program file, and there is EVE-NG with the name EVE-NG folder, and here is Ultra VNC, and if all the thing is available, it means you properly install them. Done. So this was the client pack. Okay, which is required. So let me